वेलकम टू लर्न शॉर्ट एंड टाइपिंग विद विकास सर। आई होप स्टूडेंट आपने जो होली है अच्छे से बनाई होगी। इसी के साथ शुरुआत करते हैं हम अपनी दोबारा से अपनी डिक्टेशन चंडीगढ़ हाई कोर्ट के लिए। और पंजाब हाई कोर्ट का भी आपका रिजल्ट आने वाला ही है, कुछ ही दिनों में आ जाएगा। इसी शुरुआत करते हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 2 @100 वर्ड पर मिनट। सो बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। The applicant company challenged the imposition of water tax by the Rampur Municipal Board in a petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India on the ground that the tax had not been imposed according to law in as much as the proposals, the draft rules had been published by the board in an Urdu paper, whereas according to the mandatory provisions of section 131 within bracket 3 read with section 93 within bracket 3 of the UP Municipalities Act 1916, they should have been published in a Hindi paper. The High Court dismissed the petition but granted a certificate under Article 133 within bracket 1. Stop. The questions for consideration were whether the whole of section 131 within bracket 3 was mandatory or the part of it requiring publication in the manner laid down in section 94 within bracket 3 in a Hindi newspaper was merely directory, and whether the publication in the Government Gazette of the notification imposing the tax was not conclusive proof as provided in section 135 within bracket 3 of the prescribed procedure having been observed. Section 131 within bracket 3 can be divided into two parts. The first one providing that the proposal that and draft rules for a tax intended to be imposed should be published for the objections of the public, if any, and the second laying down that the publication must be in the manner laid down in section 94 within bracket 3. Stop. Considering the object of the provisions for publication, namely to enable the public to place its viewpoint before the board, it is necessary to hold that the first part of the section is mandatory to hold, otherwise would be to render the whole procedure prescribed for the imposition of taxes nugatory. The second part of the section is, however, merely directory. Stop. What it substantially requires is that the publication should be in Hindi in a local paper, and if that is done, that would be compliance with section 94 within bracket 3. In the instant case, publication was made in Hindi in a local paper which on the evidence seems to have good circulation in Rampur. There is no regulatory published local Hindi newspaper. There was in the circumstances substantial compliance with the provisions of section 94 within bracket 3. In this case, section 135 within bracket 3 provides that a notification of the imposition of tax in the Government Gazette was conclusive proof that the tax had been imposed in accordance with the provisions of the act. Whether such a notification will save a tax which has been imposed without at all complying with one of the mandatory provisions. Full stop. स्टूडेंट ये आपके 100 वर्ड पर मिनट की स्पीड है और इसके आपका 420 की वर्ड्स हैं, और इसका आपको PDF की फॉर्म में आपको हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल पे मिल जाएगा। टेलीग्राम चैनल आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा। धन्यवाद।